Hey, good day to everyone, and welcome to our Teacherbot. And still, we have our new lesson for today. So it's about Dino Park. So Dino Park, we're going to go to a dinosaur park. Okay, let us see that picture. So we have here Dino Park. We have the start button and then the F1. So let's have to browse it down in order to get the directions or the mechanics of the game. So the mechanics of the game help the boy go home. So click the roll dice, the boy will run. So answer correctly, then wrong answer will send you back two places. So you have two dinosaurs will send you to back places. One dinosaur will send you back to start. The one that have a red cup, and then there's a plus sign two steps forward. That would be bonus. And we have a dinosaur who will send you back to spaces. Okay, so let's proceed. Then we will look into the part of the game. So if you notice this one, there's a boy at the corner, and then we have the dice, and the different dinosaurs in every level. As we go down there, the last one having the red comb, then there is a entrance or exit that we can pass it through as we go through the game. Okay, let's proceed. So we're going to read now the mechanics of the game. Practice prepositions for, in, to, from, by, at, on, since, etc. In this ESL Grammar interactive fun Dino Park game, this game is also excellent for classroom teaching. So let's roll the dice and have here the link. So it's at pswlsgamesplus.com preposition interactive grammar game or else will give. So I just write this one, copy this one, and then post it in our description in the below the description of this video. So we're going to click now the link. Okay. So you get just once, and just wait for the whole thing to be loaded. Okay, so we are now in our game, still in the Dino Park, and this is about prepositions. So we're going to click help. So it will pop out now the mechanics of the game. So let's click close. And we're going to click start. So we have here the boy, and then that's the boy, and then we have the dice that we're going to click on it. Okay. So we have 5 for 5. Okay, good to choose the correct answer. We are having a big party on Christmas Eve. Check. And let's proceed. Click the dice. The two steps. Okay, we're hit by the red comb, and then we went back to the star. So red comb dinosaur. Shall we go to cinema tomorrow? We check. Get to roll the dice. John is very good on playing. At playing on. Okay, playing. Okay, you have the dice. If I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, plus 2, 1, 2. I haven't played football for many years. Okay, correct. Then let's click the dice. 5. Would you like sugar with your coffee? Okay, next. Click the dice. Okay. I live on Maple Street. Okay. So, click that one. I got a present from my sister. Check. And the dice. Mhm. So we are now moving on. Okay, we are eaten by the white dinosaur or gray one. Move 2 steps backward. Tony is 40 years old, but he still lives with his parents. Check. Okay, with the dice. I see you all on Saturday morning. Check. Then click the dice. Okay. I see you all on Saturday at 8 p.m. Okay, correct. Okay, click next. Then roll the dice. Okay, so we successfully done the game. Game over. Congratulations, you got home safely. Okay, that's the good thing. We're in the jungle of dinosaurs or in the park. We go back home. So let us play again. Okay, start. Then click the dice. We are having a big party on Christmas Eve. Okay, okay, dice. 1, 2, 3. Plus sign 1 and 2. Shall we go to cinema tomorrow? Okay, dice. 1. Oh, we're written by the red comb dinosaur, so we go back from the beginning. John is very good at playing. Okay, at playing basketball. 1. I haven't played football for many years. Okay, dice. Would you like sugar with your coffee? Okay, correct. Okay, the dice. I live on Maple Street. On. Okay, let's have the dice. I got a present from my sister. Okay, roll the dice. Or click the dice. Again, we are eaten by the dinosaur. 2 steps backward. Tony is 40 years old, but he still lives with his parents. Okay, roll the dice. 1, 2. Again, backward. 2 steps backward. I see you all on Saturday morning. Okay, let's have the dice. Okay, 2 steps backward again. I see you on Saturday at 8 p.m. 1. Oh, 2 steps backwards again. Let me introduce to you to my let me introduce you to my cousin Bob. Okay, hopefully they can get 1, 2, 3. Okay, we pass on. My husband and I met at a party in Rome. Correct. Okay, let's have the dice. Shall we call for a taxi? Correct. We've been learning Spanish for 3 years now. For 3 years. Correct. Sir, you failed. Game over. Okay. We have lost the game because we already clicked the chances or how many dice that we're going to choose. So, for the third time, we're going to play. Hopefully that we can win the game. Click start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last. We are having a big party on Christmas Eve. On. Check. Then we have the dice. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Shall we go to the cinema tomorrow? Okay, so 1. Oh, we are eaten by the dinosaur. 2 steps backward. John is very good at playing. Okay, roll the dice. 1. I haven't played football for many years. Okay, dice. For try. We have 14 chances. Would you like sugar with your coffee? Okay, where are we now? Okay, roll the dice. 1. Okay. I live on Maple Street. Correct. Then roll the dice. 6 try. Okay, good. I got a present from my sister. Roll the dice. 1, 2. Okay. Tony is 40 years old, but he still lives with his parents. Okay, roll the dice. Okay, move on. I see you all on Saturday morning. Okay, have 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I see you at 8 p.m. Okay, roll the dice. 1, 2. Let me introduce you to my cousin Bob. Okay, so hopefully we can get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we passed through. My husband and I first met at a party in Rome. Then roll the dice. Okay, so game over. So it's very interesting game for our children or our students or somewhat a review for us on the different prepositions such as in, on, at, and so on. So I recommend this one to your friends and also to your family. And don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell so that you can be updated for our new lessons to be uploaded in YouTube. Have a nice day to everyone. And thank you for watching.